Okay, so point 3B is we're going to be interpreting data in graphics. And this is basically ACT science passage, okay? So we've got 5 substandards, and we've got simple and complex data presentations. So we're going to talk about what the difference is between these two things. And so charts, graphs, and diagrams can be put into that. So we're going to first work with simple data presentations, and then we're going to manipulate information, basically. And so we're going to take that information and put it into graphs and diagrams. Then we're also going to be able to see what those patterns are. And that's going to be useful because on the ACT, a lot of the times they ask you questions like, based on what happened in the table, what are you going to predict is going to happen if you went a couple more steps? So like, say we've got 2, 4, 6, 8 in the data table. Well, what do you expect is going to happen next? 10, right? So that's a trend. It's very simple, but we've got to look at it so that we understand it. Point 3B4, interpolation and extrapolation. This is like when you've got a graph and you see a line and you know where the line's going, where you can see that. And so you're able to see that math trend in the relationship in the data. And then FSL.3B this is basically you've got a table and a chart, and then they throw in some new information into the mix. And so you've got to be ready to see what that information is going to do to the information you already have. And so these are the things that we're going to see that's coming up in FSL.3B.